is Kajaaninlinnantie, Kajaani board stake and 3, stake is B, and we have been in this stake is A already. And now we have only stake is C left to be filmed here. And actually this is the second to last Kone elevator with MB6 fixture, still original here, and it I guess was center means Helsinki, or a center. Built in 1963, the serial number is H11125, and with 5 first it's going to be inspected in 2023, but it's only 60 years old. And I mean, second to last we filmed. A lot of us are more ice engineers, but we don't need them. Otherwise they're all filmed. Maintained by SPHC, which is not good, and they should save him, but still original.
Yeah.
I also like these numbers, and these, same on the building 8.
Yeah.
They sometimes have them. And also in 1964, 65, I've seen it. And then take a second ride.
Yeah.
A silent ride. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the stay here and the same Steve once you get there.
That's